Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very simple and healthy snack. It's curd sandwich. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First I'm going to make the hung curd. I've taken about 400 grams of curd. Add the curd to this. Now we're going to strain all the water and use the thick curd for the sandwich. So I'm going to let this sit for about an hour. So you don't want to completely dry the curd because you need a little bit moisture. So you need the curd to be a little creamy while making the sandwich. Next I'm going to mix the thick hung curd with all the other ingredients and season it, and this is going to be your filling for the sandwich. Now I'm going to add finely chopped capsicum, half cup, finely grated carrot, half cup, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. You can adjust the spice according to your taste, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Mix everything together. Filling is ready. Now I'm going to toast the bread, add a little butter. Toast the bread on both sides. Spread some butter on the bread before you flip it. Take a little bit of the filling and spread it onto the bread slice. Spread generously on all sides. So you know how to make this delicious curd sandwich. You can make it for parties or just as an evening snack, or you can even eat it as a meal by itself. It's quite filling, and it's you can see it's made with curd and all the vegetables. It's very, very delicious. So do try and enjoy this recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.